How much money do you think you can make with this brand new method of making money with ChatGPT and Amazon? Hang on, because this method can make you filthy rich! In this video, you are going to learn how to make hundreds of dollars a day without investing a single dime. This video is going to be very exciting, as I will be guiding you through how you can create your Amazon affiliate account and connect it with your YouTube channel. I will also be guiding you through how you can get a commission from Amazon by just only joining their affiliate program and promoting their products on your YouTube channel. So if you're interested in earning passive income and attaining financial freedom, don't miss this one. Let me say it again. Don't miss this one. This method of earning with ChatGPT and Amazon is really simple. Still, you need to work really hard to get the business going. But don't worry, my friend. I will make it as easy as possible for you. First, you need to pick a suitable niche that you can work on. Second, you need to create an account with Amazon affiliate program. Third, you need to create a YouTube channel because you will be promoting your products there. As you can see, the first two steps are very simple, but creating a YouTube channel and then creating a video is quite hard. So how will you do that? Don't worry. This might be the easiest step for you. So to begin, all you need to do first is pick a niche for your YouTube channel. You can do it in two ways. The first way is by asking ChatGPT to give you ideas for your YouTube channel, and it will give you lots of different ideas that you can pick. You can also break down these ideas into something more specific. For example, if you're interested in writing about animals, you can break this down into cats, dogs, cows, etc. You can break down all the niches into something more specific. If you don't like this way of picking a niche, you can always find it another way, which is going to Amazon's official website and looking at the categories on the left side. Here, you can find the main categories and then the subcategories. You can pick any subcategory you want, and this will be the niche for your channel. But remember not to pick a niche with a lot of competitors like makeup or Formula One. Search for something that's already working, but not something that has too much competition. You can check the competition on www.vidiq.com. Here, you can make an account, and then you can see this dashboard. Then, click on the keywords in the top left corner and type the niche you want to join to see if it's a good niche. For example, as I said, Formula One, you can see the search volume is very high, which is good, but the competition is also very high. That's why it's not a good niche. To give a small guideline, whenever the overall score is above 65 and the competition is below 60, it's a good niche. Once you've picked your niche, the next step is you need to go to the Amazon affiliate website and sign up for free. Signing up for the program is simple. However, it requires you to add one YouTube video at least as part of the signing up process. So I suggest you make the YouTube video first, and after that, sign up for the program. And don't worry if you get accepted to the program because they accept 95% of people. I hope you've learned how to pick a niche by now. Let's suppose you've picked the electronic category and then headphones as the subcategory for your channel. The next step you got to do is to look up YouTube for good content on your keyword, and you will find tons of videos. While searching for videos, set the filter to this month and sort by to view count. This way, you will find the recent most watched videos. Make sure you pick the best videos from here and analyze these very well. I suggest you watch the video fully so that you can get as many important ideas as you need. But keep in mind not to copy or reinvent. Be unique. Just only get some ideas. After you are done analyzing the good videos, the next step is to create your YouTube channel and start creating videos. But how can we create good videos? Follow me, and I will show you how. To make a video, the first thing we need to do is write a script, and that's when the ChatGPT comes in. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT and ask the chatbot to create an outline for your script, and it will produce the outline for your script like this. Now that you have created the outline, you can continue the process and create the script. For example, ask the chatbot to write the introduction of the script, and it will write the introduction in no time. Next, we ask the chatbot to write the second part of the script, and it will write it without taking much time. Repeat the same process for every section of the outline, and you will get parts of the script one by one. Also, don't forget to add information about the product you are promoting. So, for example, if you are promoting this product, make sure you add information about it, like its pros and cons. You can do that with ChatGPT. Just type the product name and ask the chatbot to write its pros and cons. This way, you will get the whole script written in just a few minutes. After you have written the complete script for the video, the next thing is to record a voiceover and edit the video by using free softwares like Filmora. You can also find tons of free images and videos from pixel.com. This way, you can make a good video while only investing your time in it. Or you can use the help of freelancers on different platforms and go more professional. All you need to do is hire a voice actor and a video editor, and you can do that within a small budget. It's around $20 for a 4-minute video if you write the script yourself. Also, a side note, you could also make a shorts channel and post like 6 to 8 shorts a day for $30 a month. Yes, a month. Once you are done with the video, you can go to the ChatGPT again and ask it to give you a thumbnail idea for your video like this. After this, you can go to Canva, where you can find thousands of free thumbnail templates. From here, you can pick any template you like. After this, you can also ask ChatGPT for titles of the video, and it will give you different titles. You can also ask it to write a description for you, and it will without taking any time. Once you are done with completing this video, you can come to the Amazon affiliate program and get your link from here. Make sure you add the links to the description of your video and upload it. Congratulations! You just learned how to create a YouTube video and earn from Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, apart from YouTube ads revenue, if someone clicks on the link and buys the products, you will get a handsome commission. Pretty easy, right? Now, to recap what we've discussed in this video, first, you need to pick a niche for your YouTube channel. Second, you need to set up your Amazon affiliate account. And third, you need to create your YouTube channel. After this, to create videos, you need to write the video script with ChatGPT and make the video with Filmora. When you create the video, make sure to add your affiliate links in the description. With the help of ChatGPT and Amazon, creating passive income is within reach. By leveraging their resources, you can generate revenue streams that provide financial freedom and flexibility. So start exploring your options and take the first step towards creating a brighter financial future for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Income Booster for more content like this. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.